What do all these videos have in common? All these videos were filmed on OTC market, and today it's time for stock market. Today we will find out how good Autobot is on stock market and what percentage of passability it will show. All we need to work with the Autobot is to create a new account and top it up with at least $100. Once everything is ready, you can start setting up the Autobot. The bot is set up and started trading. Since the minimum expiration time on the stock market is 1 minute, we will speed up the video a little so as not to waste your time. But first I want to remind you that the Autobot is completely free, and anyone can get it. Just follow the link in the description and get your Autobot. Great start from the Autobot. Today our task is to increase our balance by 2 times, and let's see how quickly the Autobot can do it. If you want to see more videos about the Autobot, write comments about what other videos to shoot and we will definitely shoot them. The bot was a little short for the second successful deal, no big deal. We'll show you how the bot works with catch-ups and whether it can win back this deal. The third deal closed at 0, and we continue to monitor the trading of the Autobot. The bot easily returned our previous lost bet, and we can continue trading. Excellent result. 3 trades in a row go into the plus, and we continue. Little by little, our balance is growing, which means everything is going according to plan, and our goal will soon be achieved. Wow! Incredible! Just look at this result for 7 signals, only 1 minus. And our goal is completed $200 on balance. And all thanks to the Autobot. Friends, write in the comments your opinion about trading Autobot. Share your results and new ideas. What videos we should shoot with Autobot. Follow the link in the description and take your Autobot. Finance TradeBot more than trading.